Hey there folks, my name's Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. In this video today we will show you how to disassemble and package your Criterion chair for return. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3,
So for this project you will need some packaging tape, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a crowbar. So here we have our Criterion chair. A couple points I want to mention is that we want to lower the chair all the way to its lowest position. I'll go ahead and do that. So drop the cylinder down. I want to make sure the arms are in its lowest position. So I'll drop the arms down. I also want to make sure the seat is in the very back position. So now that we have those three things taken care of, the idea here is to remove this back pad and to lay it on the seat. Now, there's a couple different ways I can remove the back. I'm going to show you one, and then if you have trouble with that, I can show you another way. The first method I want to show you is the one I like to use. I like to grab the back right here underneath and get my hand in between the lever and the plastic shell itself. I'm just going to get a nice solid grip and pull back, and hopefully the clips will release and you'll see the back come right off. So I'll give that a try first. If that doesn't work, I do have another method I can show you as well. So here we go. I'm going to get my dominant hand into the lever, between the lever and the black shell itself. I'm going to use my other hand as an anchor, and I'm going to pretty much just pull as hard as I can to remove this back from the chair. Here we go. All right, so that's pretty much how it looks like. I just removed the back and all the clips are right here, as you can see. Just popped off the back itself. So the second method I like to use is to use a standard flat crowbar to get in between the shell and the pad itself right here and just kind of work those clips off that way. So I'll kind of show you what that looks like. All right, just going to kind of stand on the chair, sit on it a little bit, and just put my crowbar in between the black shell and the pad itself. Just kind of wiggle it in and just kind of pop it off, work my way down, come back up to the top, and just kind of work them off that way. Okay, so now that we have the plastic shell removed, what we want to do now is remove the actual pad itself from the chair. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to use our left hand to reach in front of the pad itself and grab the lever from behind like so. And I'll be able to pull that lever back. I'm going to take my right hand or my other hand and put it on the top of the pad. And I'm going to simultaneously push forward on the pad while I'm pulling down. And you should see the plastic release from the plate itself. So here we go. I'm going to grab the lever, pull in. I'm going to grab my right hand, push forward and down. And it should come off just like that. Okay, so the next step here is to remove the white plastic plate. And here I have my flathead screwdriver. And the idea here is to use your screwdriver to push in these white tabs here on both sides, one on each side. And that will allow you to raise the plastic plate off itself. So I'll go ahead and show you that real quick. Just going to take my flathead, reach it in there, give it a push, and I'm going to pull up at the same time. There you go. Okay, I'm going to go over to the next side. So I'm going to go ahead and put my flathead right there on the tab again. Press in and pull up. I'm going to have to go back to the other side. Alrighty. So after a little finesse, we got the white tabs to step out. So the next step we have here is to lift up the chair and gently place it into the box. I'm going to go ahead and pick it up from behind using the arms as my support. And grab right there. It may be a tight fit, but it should go in there just like so. So we have our back pad, and you can just lay that white plastic plate right on top. Go ahead and lay our plastic shell right on top. Alrighty, now we just need to add some filler paper. Alright, with our filler paper, we want to add a few pieces to every corner. Alright, so here I have 2 pieces of filler paper in each corner. I'm going to use my remainder filler paper just to kind of put over top and protect the top. And there we have it. And the final step here is just go ahead and close the box and apply some tape to it. Throw your shipping label on, and you'll be all set to go. So here we are. I'm going to close both sides here. Alright, I want to get a nice solid connection here. So I'm going to push my weight onto the box and make sure it's closed. Alright, now I've got 2 pieces there. I'm going to go ahead and go this way with some. Alright, I've got the box all taped up. I did use at least 6 pieces of tape on the top. And the next step would be to attach your shipping label. I have my shipping label here. Go ahead and put it anywhere on top of the box. So now your chair is ready for return. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. As always, please hit that like and subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. Hello there, my name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. In this video, we will show you how to Return? Disassemble. That's the word I'm looking for, disassemble. In this video today, we will show you how to disassemble and package your chair for return. I didn't say Criterion. Okay, all right. There's some packaging tape, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a